She's cute. But it's like any Sylvia Rust.
It's from a scrapyard.
It's a 240 build.
Pretty much.
They might be OEM even, or I'm not sure. I don't know what the stocks look like. I don't think it's doing anything, Jake. Open the gas cap and now it doesn't
Let me try it.
close. Alright, got the battery in. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna use a screwdriver to start it. No. No. Oh my god! Jake! Oh!
Try to start it?
Try and start it, try and start it! I wonder if there's even gas in the tank or any of the lines.
Yeah, it's got gas in it, says.
It says? How's the dash look?
Look. Look at our voltage. Soon
fuck.
I turned it on and I went and I seen it, I'm like, no, cause did you hear it?
Yeah. Oh my god. Try the fans and shit, see what works. Bottom there. It's at off right now, see it? Oh my god, all the fans work too? Try 4 ways.
That's on. So it is screwdriver.
It is screwdriver. It's screwdriver. There's no horn. The horn's disconnected. The horn's gone. Oh, Jake. Oh. No, the fucking...
Just one?
Did just one go down?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, just the one went down then.
Now it won't go up?
No, it won't go back up. To get it back up. It's got cruise control too? Huh, I wonder...
You might not get it back up. Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god.
Screwdriver.
The screwdriver dream. Here, try the windshield wipers. Try everything.
Try, look.
Let's
check the blinkers.
Let's turn. Well... Oh yeah, it's going. Yeah, it's going. Yeah, other one's going too. It's poor. Oh, dude, I know why it's not. I know why it didn't fucking go down. Oh fuck. Hold on, turn it on.
Yeah, it's on.
The stupid
Thing?
the fucking other one is stuck there. Remember? The
light?
the signal light is under here. So I can't get it out. Fuck. Should have thought of that.
Oh shit, it fucked it up, didn't it?
It's not, no, it didn't fuck it up, it just didn't go down. It doesn't want to come back up now.
Look it up how to... Oh, there we go.
There we go. Take that out. Yeah, I'll have to take that out.
How do we...
Move it down here first. How much cord is on it? There's no way you're getting it all the way.
That's right.
That's it?
Yeah. You got it.
Oh, almost there. Fuck.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go, okay.
Which way does it go?
Yeah, like that, yeah. Fuck, dude. It just cranked though, it didn't...
Huh? It might have gas in it.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm thinking. We'll probably have to drop the tank though to get gas in it. I wouldn't want to put
Old gas through it?
old gas through. Holy fuck though! Oh my god, I can't believe it cranks. Holy shit!
The shit works.
Oh, everything works in it. The power windows, everything works.
Here, look.
Oh, I can wink, dude. Hell yeah. I'm more happy with just one working. Here, give it the wink. Hell yeah!
Dude, this was worth the $600 right here.
I know, give it the wink.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
The fucking
The screwdriver! I can't get over that.
Screwdriver! fucking shit. This thing's so rotted, but it's gonna rip.
Dude. Oh, it's so worth. It's so worth. $600. It's gonna. I think it's gonna run. I hope. Get all the fucking rust fixed in it, and it'll be good to go. And like, it's still so fucking clean, even in here, like in the door in here.
This is
still.
fucked. I didn't see this.
Yeah, I saw that afterwards too. Did you look mine? It's not awful, but it's just a spot.
You can see through the floor.
Yeah.
Like that's whole elegance be cut out.
We're gonna have to take all the shag fucking carpet out of it and clean everything.
Yeah.
But it'll be so worth.
It's gonna get gutted.
Yeah. Dude, I don't think it has gas in it.
It might not.
I think it's empty.
Oh, I gotta go, don't I?
Yeah, I'm gonna head out too, and I'm gonna head home for a little bit, and then I'll meet you at Walmart at 3, I guess.
Yeah,
So,
I was not expecting.
I was not ready for that. I was not ready for that at all.
Junkyard S12.
Starts with a screwdriver.
Starts with a fucking.
We gotta get gas for it.
I was gonna be excited if even just the dash lights came on.
Yeah, but
all the windows work, everything works.
fuck, everything works. Blinkers work still. Like, fuck.
The Nissans. I gotta go.
All right, yeah. I'll see you later, man.
Yeah.
Fuck.